Hi, welcome to Branding B360 Knowledge Club. In this video, I'm going to give you some tips to get the best out of your Amazon ads. Use negative keywords to reduce wasted spend in sponsored product campaigns. Take your time to identify keywords that have low conversion rates, even if they have a high click-through rate, and flag them as negative. Include the top benefit in your sponsored brand ads. Amazon recommends this because mobile shoppers can only see the ad's main image and headline. Keep your product display ads running. Amazon recommends running product display ads continuously because over half of Amazon's US shoppers make multiple purchases per month and 80% make purchases at least once a month. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and share this video. Hit that bell icon and subscribe button so you won't miss our new videos.